Guys, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm doing some butterfly locks for the first time. These are the products that I use to wash my hair. They are some fantastic products and I believe they have helped me to grow my hair, especially the nape area at the back. That's the area that I'm most concerned with. I know to you're probably thinking yikes, but to me they have been really great because I could not do this before. I could not cane roll the back of my hair before, and now I can thanks to those products. So I'm going to do a separate video on that. Let's get started. I'm putting some crochet butterfly locks in. I bought them from Amazon. This is the first time I'm trying butterfly locks. I was a bit skeptical because I felt like the style may not suit me. I've been wearing it for about 2 to 3 weeks now, and I've had lots of compliments. Well, not lots, a few compliments, but yeah, I'm not really feeling the style on me, but I'm still gonna go ahead and put the video up because I already filmed it. So yes, I'm sure many of you know how to do crochet by now, but I'm just showing you how I do it. I do my little twist at the front to protect my hairline, and those were the products that I've been using to help my hair grow. So there's not much to say for this video really. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy.